In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks with ClickUp. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to follow inside ClickUp to request and set up the QuickBooks integration so you can connect your work management with your accounting more smoothly. First, start by logging into your ClickUp workspace then as you normally would. Make sure you're using an account that has the right permissions to manage apps and integrations for your workspace, typically an owner or admin. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation on the left-hand side of your screen. In that left-hand column, find the option labeled More. It may be collapsed under an icon depending on your layout, but it's usually near the bottom of the sidebar. Click on More to reveal additional options that aren't shown by default. From the expanded list, look for the Apps option and click on it. This is where ClickUp keeps all of the integrations and add-ons you can connect to your workspace, including QuickBooks. Inside the Apps section, scroll until you find QuickBooks Online Sync. This is the app that connects your ClickUp workspace with your QuickBooks account. Go ahead and click on QuickBooks Online Sync. Instead of connecting immediately, you'll be directed to contact the ClickUp team about enabling this integration. On this screen, click on the Contact Us button. This will open a form that you need to fill out so ClickUp can understand your workspace details and what you're looking to integrate. You'll now see a form with several fields. Start by clicking into the field that asks for your organization's name and type in the official name of your company or team. Try to use the same name you use in your ClickUp and QuickBooks accounts to avoid confusion. Next, click into the Workspace ID field and enter your ClickUp Workspace ID. You can usually find this in your ClickUp settings or in your Workspace URL. If you're not sure where it is, it's worth taking a moment to copy it directly from ClickUp, so there are no typos. Then click into the email field and enter a valid work email address. This is important because this is how the ClickUp team will contact you with next steps or confirmation about your QuickBooks integration. After that, open the plan dropdown and select the ClickUp plan your workspace is currently on, such as Free, Business, or Enterprise. This helps them understand what level of features and support applies to your account. Next, click on the drop-down that asks which integrations you are interested in. From the list, select QuickBooks. If there are multiple options, make sure QuickBooks is clearly chosen so your request is routed correctly. Once all the required fields are filled in and you've checked that everything is accurate, scroll down and click on Submit. Your request will be sent to the ClickUp team, and from there they'll follow up with you about enabling and configuring the QuickBooks Online Sync for your workspace. That's the full process for initiating the QuickBooks integration from within ClickUp. By following these steps carefully, you'll make it much easier